How to open chests in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily open and equip different gifts. First of all, open the application. So now I'm inside the game. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Here on the bottom, you can see this chest slots. So basically, in order to open a chest, you must tap on it in order to unlock it. So simply tap on it. Now it will take some time. So after some time, you'll be able to use or open the chest. So here I have a free chest too. Simply tap on it and here tap on open. So it will take some time, and as you can see, you get different rewards from this chest. Now you can use this inside your gameplay and it will be beneficial in improving your game too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.